Y'all can't stand right here. In his right hand was your man's worst nightmare. Loud enough the verses right eardrum close range. The game is not only dangerous but it's most strange. I sell rhymes like dimes. The one who mostly keep cash but brag about the broken times. Joking rhymes like the issue just happy to see me trip. Classical slapstick rappers need chapstick. A lot of them sound like they in a talent show, so I give them something to remember like the Alamo. Tally ho, a hot joker like the Space Game. Came back from 5 years lane and stayed the same. Electromagnetic field blocks all logic spot. G-shocks a biological clock. When I hit it, slid it to the shit, I thought I killed a goose. A power use was pure Brita water filter juice. Keep a pen like a fiend, keep a pipe with him. Gentleman who lent a pen to a friend who write with him. Never seen this shit again, but he's still my gunny. The only thing that come between us is krill and money. I sell rhymes like dimes. The one who mostly keep cash and brag about the broken times. Better rhymes make for better songs, and that is not if you got a lot of what it takes just to get along. Surrender now, so for serious setbacks. Got get back, connects, wet back, get stacks. Even if you got to get jet black, head to toe to get the dough. Battle for bottles of Mo or Dro. This fly flow take practice like Tybo with Billy Blanks. Oh, you're too kind, really thanks. To the corner lost forever like, oh my darling Clementine. He hold his heart when he tellin' rhyme.